The fundamental issue about wind and solar is that it's not available all the time, and it's not available, you cannot schedule it, right? The sun may shine, today it's a beautiful day here, right, in Tallinn, but maybe 3 days ago it was not, I don't know, it was not nice. And at night certainly the sun doesn't shine, there's no wind, there is wind. So the key problem arises from this, what we call intermittency, the unpredictability. And in Germany, the sun only shines on average 10% of the time in the year. That means when you have a solar panel, right, that will actually work only 10% of the time in Germany. In Estonia it's less, you're further north, right? It's less than 10%, maybe, I don't know, 6, 7, I don't know how many, 6, 7%. Now that means the other 90%, it's not doing anything, just sitting there. On top, you don't know when the 10% is. You only know it's not at night. You don't know when it is. There might be a cloud or something. So that has a huge impact on what you have to make to integrate this. Yeah. So that's one element, is intermittency. The second element is what we call energy density. So the amount of electricity or energy available per square meter from the sun is very little. It's very dilute. It's very small. This huge sun is the biggest, strongest source of energy. Obviously, it's amazing. But the fact is the density per square meter is very low. That is why you need to build these large fields. Otherwise, you wouldn't need them. The reason why you need to build so much is because there's so little energy per square meter. The same with wind, by the way. Also wind, you need to have these large wind turbines to collect this free energy. And the energy density required, how much space you need, is very high. So the intermittency is one issue, and this density is a second issue. And the third issue is that all these installations do not last very long. They need to be replaced every few years. 10, 15 years, they say that solar lasts 25 years, but that's not true anymore. When you have the newest grid-scale solar installations from China, they will last 10 to 13, maybe 15 years. That means you have to continuously replace these large installations. So these are the fundamental issues why it is more expensive. And then, in order to overcome the intermittency, you now have to install short duration batteries, short duration storage, which only lasts you for a couple of hours. That doesn't help you.